Bitcoin is once again getting ready for a massive move. Bitcoin is right now creating a beautiful consolidation pattern on that 1 hourly time frame, and at the same time a lot of liquidity is starting to pile up on both directions. So this next Bitcoin move is going to be deciding if we are going to be seeing this correction or if we are going to be creating another leg towards the upside. So we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That would be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And yes guys, finally we are creating some kind of a consolidation pattern. Of course, after any kind of a move, I always like to see Bitcoin creating a consolidation pattern because this is just going to be indicating the next move. So I absolutely love this Bitcoin price action because in my opinion there is a very good trading setup actually incoming. Now if we are going to be having a look into what's a Bitcoin liquidity, yes, this is solidifying the fact that a huge breakout is going to be imminent. Literally on both directions we are starting to develop a lot of Bitcoin liquidity, so a break in either direction is really just going to be grabbing all of the liquidity and going to be initiating the next Bitcoin move. Now if we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, we do have a very nice price target all the way up towards the 54k level. But if we are going to be seeing this break towards the downside, well in that case we are going to be seeing a correction all the way back down towards the 50k level. Okay, but with that being said, one very important thing to do keep in mind is that we are currently trading in the weekend, and because of this we are probably going to be creating some kind of a Bitcoin CME gap if we were to be creating any kind of a big move. And what we usually actually do see during the weekend is that we just tend to consolidate at around our CME close price. So because of this, I will not really be interested in trading this breakout during the course of the weekend, but only starting next week. Okay, if we are still going to be consolidating inside of this pattern until the beginning of next week, well that is going to be giving us a very good trading opportunity. But just before that, well I think it is going to be most likely a fake out. Okay, if we are going to be seeing this huge breakout already during the weekend, well I'm just going to be having a look into this consolidation range and a break above this resistance. Well yes, in my opinion that is going to be indicating the next leg towards the upside, and also the same thing for a break towards the downside below this support. So do be careful for fake outs during the course of the weekend. Also on top of that, yes, institutions have been buying up Bitcoin like crazy, but of course institutions are not trading during the weekend. So yeah, these huge inflows which we have been seeing in the last couple of days and the last couple of weeks, well we are not going to be seeing these huge inflows anymore during the course of the weekend. This buying pressure we've had throughout this whole week will disappear during the weekend, and yeah, volatility will also be a lot lower. So do be aware of that. Now a lot of people have been talking about the fact that the Bitcoin funding rates have spiked just a little bit towards the upside, but in my opinion this is really nothing to worry about yet. They are still very low, and the fact that we are still trading at these high levels and have continuously been pumping towards the upside, but still the Bitcoin funding rates are this low, well that is still making me very bullish, because normally during these kind of pumps we do tend to see the Bitcoin funding rates actually already sitting at like 0.05%, and right now it is still sitting at 0.01%, which we have been talking about this fact for many times on this channel. But all you need to know is that this is still looking very bullish and very healthy. Okay, this is not at all looking bearish in the slightest, but what is looking a little bit bearish is going to be this bearish divergence on the 4 hourly time frame. It could be playing out a little bit during the course of the weekend if we are going to be seeing this breakdown. Now if we are going to be seeing some kind of a correction, we could maybe be retesting this breakout towards the upside. That could be another very good trading setup. Now if you are going to be interested in trading, make sure to check out this link in the description, because you can right now claim 220 US dollars by only depositing $100. On this exchange, DEEPCOIN, which is by the way very similar to Bybit, you do not need any KYC and there are no restrictions in no countries. So everyone can be registering on this exchange, and the best thing is that I am still looking out for my next Bitcoin trade and I am going to be launching it over on copy trading over on DEEPCOIN. So yeah, only if you are going to be registering with my link down below, you are going to be eligible for this bonus, and on top of that, you can also be following me over on copy trading and follow my next Bitcoin trade. So that is an absolutely insane offer. Make sure to check it out. And guys, we are currently still in this pre-Bitcoin halving pump, and literally we are about to close our weekly candle above the most important level of resistance, so we could be having a little bit of volatility during our close of our weekly candle. But if the Bitcoin price is going to be closing its weekly candle like it is currently doing so, well, it is going to be very bullish for the Bitcoin price. Okay, it is quite literally, in my opinion, going to be confirming the next Bitcoin bull market. Now, we still need to be closing our weekly candle like this. Of course, anything can still be happening, but in my opinion, it is already getting very close to actually being confirmed. Now, what you need to understand is that this whole Bitcoin pump was actually basically caused by institutions and not by retail investors. Look, we just got this chart over here, and we can be seeing that on Coinbase, the quarterly retail trading volume is still significantly down compared to the last bull market. Literally, it is nowhere to be seen still compared to the last Bitcoin bull market. So yeah, we can still be seeing that actually the smart money is investing right now. And who do you want to be following? Well, it is going to be the smart money. Okay, they are buying right now. They are preparing themselves for the next Bitcoin bull market, so act accordingly. As long as the smart money is still going to be investing in the Bitcoin price, I think it is still also going to be a good moment for yourself to be buying up more Bitcoin. So yeah, it is still looking very good. But guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.